Hello friends, my name is Kumar Uday and I am going to teach you acid, base and salt for class 10th today. Okay. Now, what is acid? First of all, let's see what is acid, which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution. H plus ion in aqueous solution. But but base gives OH minus ion in aqueous solution. Now, H plus is positively charged. That's why H plus is cation and OH minus is negatively charged, so H plus OH minus is anion. Okay. Now, how we can distinguish between acid base without reacting it from anything or by just seeing. Okay, that's why we are going to learn about indicators, and we can also say acid base indicator, which are litmus paper. What is litmus? Litmus solution is a purple dye which is extracted from lichen, a plant belonging to the division of Thylophyta and commonly used as indicator. Now, blue litmus turns red when reacted with acid. Okay, and red litmus turns blue when reacted with base. Okay. Now, what is the effect of red litmus on acid, on reacting with acid? There is no change because it converts blue litmus into red, and no change on red litmus paper. Now, we can say blue litmus has no change if we react it with base. Okay, and litmus is called natural indicator. Litmus is called natural indicator. There are many natural indicators like litmus, turmeric, and many other things. Many other indicators and man-made indicators are phenolphthalein. Okay. Now, हम लोग ये समझ गए कि इंडिकेटर्स क्या होते हैं. ओके, अब हम लोग चलते हैं एसिड बेस के रिएक्शन की तरफ. ओ सॉरी, आई हैव मिस्ड ए टॉपिक, olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator what is olfactory indicator? Olfactory indicator is the one which changes its smell. Okay, which changes its smell on reacting with acid or base. मतलब क्या, वो अपना सुगंध जो है बदल लेगा जब वह एसिड या फिर बेस से रिएक्ट करेगा तब। जैसे एग्जांपल में वनीला, ओनियन, क्लोव, etc. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. How do acid and bases react with metal? Reaction with metals. Okay, तो जब एसिड मेटल से रिएक्ट करते हैं, when acid reacts with metal, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, now as for example, HCl when reacts with Zn, it gives ZnCl2 and hydrogen gas. Okay, now how can we know that it is hydrogen gas and not other gases? That's why we have to do an experiment. Okay, just take zinc granules in sulfuric acid, okay, and fix it with a flask and a gas pipe. Now here the gas which evolves burns with pop sound. The gas here evolved is burned with pop sound. That's why we know that this is hydrogen gas. Okay, now reaction of base with metal. It also forms when base react with metals. It gives salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas. Let's take an example. NaOH aqueous plus Zn solid. This will form Na2 ZnO whole twice plus H2 gas. This is sodium zincate. Okay, now when metal carbonates reacts with acid, it gives salt, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, let's take an example. CaCO3 plus HCl. It will give CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. ओके, अब हम लोग ये समझ गए मेटल का रिएक्शन और विथ एसिड एंड बेस एंड मेटल कार्बोनेट्स का रिएक्शन विथ एसिड. ओके, अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिएक्शन बिटवीन acid and base. Now when acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay, this reaction is called what? Neutralization reaction. Just let's take an example. HCl plus NaOH, NaCl plus H2O. Okay, NaCl plus H2O. This is called neutralization reaction. This is very important. अब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं मेटल ऑक्साइड का रिएक्शन विथ एसिड. रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड विथ metal oxide. This will also form salt and water. Okay, now let's take an example. CaO plus HCl, ClCl2 plus H2O. Okay, when metal oxide react with acid, it forms salt and water. What we have studied previously, when acid react with base, it forms salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Okay, and this is a simple reaction of acid and metal oxide. Now you can get the difference between this and this. Now reaction of bases with non-metallic oxide. Okay, non-metallic oxide. Basis of reaction of bases with non-metallic oxide. It will also form salt and water. Okay. Now, water soluble bases are called alkalis. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. Now, let's move to the next topic, which is our topic is what is common in acid and base. Okay. Let's take an example, HCl and NaOH. What is common in it, in both? It has H plus ion and it has OS minus ion. Okay. Now, dissolving of bases or acid in water is highly exothermic. Okay. Now, what happens to an acid or base in water solution? Acid or base in water solution, it will give hydronium ion. Okay, it will give hydronium ion and Cl minus. But what is hydronium ion? This is H plus and H2O. Okay, we will get H plus from this acid and it react with water to give hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. Now, what is dilution? Mixing of acid or base with water results in decrease in concentration of hydronium or hydroxide ion per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution and the acid or the base is said to be diluted. When we dissolve HCl in water, it will give hydronium ion and chlorine ion. That means H plus ion react with water. Hydrochloric acid gives H plus ion in aqueous solution, that means water solution, and H plus ion react with H2O and gives hydronium ion. Okay, and you know what is dilution? That is mixing of acid and base with water results in decrease in concentration of ions per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution, and acid or the base is said to be diluted. Okay. Now, how strong are acid or bases solution? Which is represented by a pH paper. pH scale in which 0, 1 to 7 and here it is 14. Okay. Now this is neutral and left side of neutral is acidic and right side of neutral is basic. Okay, as we go from right to left, from neutral, the concentration of H plus ion increases, and if we move from left to right, from neutral position, the concentration of OH ion increases. Okay. This is our pH